Hi and welcome to this 2-minute tutorial. Today we're at the Brits and I'm going to be talking to you about the visual feedback facilities that Trigger has to offer and that I'm using in my project here today. So here we have the project, and you can see it consists of a couple of voiceovers and then essentially award cycles. So we have presenter walk-ons and then the winners walk-ups. And so obviously I've labelled up the presenters walk-ons in green and the winners walk-ons in red and labelled them appropriately. That's obvious enough. The red just signifies that obviously I don't want to be playing those in rehearsals because we don't want to reveal who the winners are until we come to the show for real. So I can hover my mouse over each individual cue button, and you'll see if we look at the status bar we can see what the underlying track is. So that's another way of me quickly double checking that I haven't, for example, used an explicit version of the track when I should be using a clean version and such like. I'm also here using trigger buttons simply as place markers to remind me of where the VT acceptance are rather than the winners actually being here in the room. The other thing I've done is used the type icon. So if I hover my mouse over this type icon, for example, it reminds me what these presenters are actually associated with, in what award they're giving it to. This is just helpful if the awards start changing sequence at the last minute. I can quickly check which award each presenter is associated with. So there are just some of the facilities that Trigger has to offer in terms of user feedback. Hope you've enjoyed watching and that you'll join me some other time. Wish me luck for the show.